So why are young people having such a difficult time finding jobs? Well, we all know that the economy has changed a lot over the last 5 years, but declining youth employment started before the Great Recession. And while there are lots of economic and policy factors at play, we can't deny the impact of the skills gap for these young people. This chart talks about it shows the kinds of skills that workers need for the jobs that are available. And you'll see 1973 compared to 2007, there are certainly many fewer jobs that are available for high school dropouts, fewer still for those who are high school grads, but there are certainly increasing numbers of opportunities for those who have some college or a college degree, 48% versus 21% in 1973. And these trends are only going to continue. The projections show that in the coming decade, more than 3/4 of job openings are going to require skills beyond the high school level.